Hey, I'm Derek with Red Light Roofing. Today we're in Lancaster. The homeowner of this property called us out. They came home from vacation and noticed that there was a lot of paint chips and sheetrock laying on a floor in one of their rooms beneath the skylight. So we came out and we went up there and took a look, and their skylight had been pretty beat up. A lot of the flashing and things around it was damaged. But we got in the attic and was able to kind of trace it back and told them, that the skylight was damaged. And while we were out, they asked us if we would go ahead and take a look at the rest of the roof. We noticed that there was some holes that looked like maybe squirrels or something had got up there and nibbled in the shingles around some of the pipe flashings. There was quite a few hell hits, which we documented, took pictures of it, showed the homeowner. This home, we were able to work with their insurance company, and they went from a 30-year shingle, and we're upgrading them to a class 4 hail resistant shingle, and hopefully prevent any further leaks or damage that they may encounter. If you notice that you may have some water stains, your skylights are dull and ugly and the metal around them just doesn't look too good, give us a call, let us come out, get up there. We'll give you an honest assessment of what we see and do an inspection for you to give you peace of mind and make sure that you don't come home to water or anything flowing in your home the way that these homeowners did.